This is the Rubik's Phantom. It's a cube where you use heat to reveal the colors. Let's start solving. I'm going to scramble this up real quick. Let's go. One way I can show the colors is by pressing the tiles really hard, or by blowing on it. Blowing on it seems more effective, so I'll go with that. Having to blow it and pressing it a lot is quite annoying, but luckily the colors stayed for a while, so I was able to complete the solve in around 50 seconds. Time for the review. Now this cube is not the fastest cube. It has a lower friction, but still an improvement from the normal Rubik's cube. So I give it a 4/10 for speed. This cube has, as usual, absolute crap corner cutting, so it gets a 0/10. Now to customizability. This cube doesn't have anything to customize, does it? 0/10. Even though it has horrible stats, it's a really special cube and it's a specialty cube. 10/10 for specialty. Now overall, it's not quite the speed cube you would want, but as a fun addition to your collection, then this one is perfect. Overall, it deserves a 6/10. Hey CubeBlitzers! Like this video? Amazing! Smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and don't forget to comment. See you next time, and happy cubing!